Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about this Vevor Commercial Deep Fryer that was given to me to test and review. I was pretty excited to get this. I wanted to make some French fries and check it out. This is a 1,750 watt electric countertop fryer. It has a basket and height adjustable feet. This is a single oil fryer, has temperature control and overheat protection. This is put together very well. It's all stainless steel. The oil tank holds about 9.5 quarts. It's good for making anything from chicken wings to French fries, fried vegetables, and anything else you might want to fry. This has overheat protection and double temperature detectors. You can see here the temperature control knob goes anywhere from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes in a box like this, and it's fairly easy to put together. All you need to do is put the handle on the fryer basket and screw in the adjustable legs. You have the main oil pan, and then the burner element goes inside that. And then there's the burner element protector shelf that goes on top of that. And then you have your fryer basket and lid. The oil pan has a minimum and maximum oil level marker there. And everything is easy to take apart when you want to clean it. So once I get everything put together, I put the oil in, and you should allow ample time for it to heat up. And once my oil was ready, I put the French fries in, and everything cooked well and worked great. I personally always use external thermometers to check the heat of the oil, and everything seemed within range. I think this would be good for those that like to fry. Again, your French fries, onion rings, and your chicken wings. The fryer basket also has a hanging hook, so you can let the oil drain. Overall, I thought this was very good. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.